I will show you how to use a spreadsheet to do Euler's method. So I am doing the question that we had done in class. The first example for Euler's method, dy dx is x plus y. I always write that down. We need a column for x, a column for y, column for dy dx, and a column for change in y. And I know we're going to start with the ordered pair 0, 1, so I'll put that in the column. And what we know is that delta x is 0.1, so I can just create, using an equation, all of my other x values. So I'm going to go down to the next block in my x column, and I'm going to put an equal sign down, which means that I'm going to be referring to something else. So I'm going to take a 2, the previous block, and I'm going to add 0.1, and then I'm just going to continue that trend, and I'm going to drag that down. So I have all my x values to, well, in fact, I am going to 1.9. What I know I'm going to do for dy dx, that's another equation. This is always going to be x plus y, so I'm going to add block A2 plus block B2, and that's x plus y. And delta y I'm also going to put in as an equation. So that is going to be whatever I have in C2 times delta x, which is 0.1. Now, what I then need to do is add my delta y to my previous y. So in block B3, I'm going to put another equals in, and I'm going to take B2 plus D2, okay? And then this gets a little bit murky. I am going to drag all of my y values down, and notice they don't really work, because what I need to do is calculate every other block. So I need to calculate my dy dx, I need to calculate my new delta y's, and then everything gets filled in as it should. And one thing we noticed was where we got to, for example, was if x is 0.5, our new y should be 1.72102, which is exactly what it is.